guys crack me up. It's empty, Al. Easy. Can y'all fit in there? Bruno, go check it out. Oh, Maggie. Oh, Maggie. You got dirt in my mouth, Mags. Go get in the water. Go get in the water. Just gonna stand with me. Bruno! Come on, Roxy. Roxy, get in the water, Roxy. Careful, Ruby. Oh, Al, you need to be careful. Darby. Darby. Where are you? Come here, Darb. Thought that was you digging, but I guess not. Darwin! Darwin! Yeah. He's like, I got wet, and now I'm gonna sit in the dirt. Easy, Stanley. Wait, you tuck it out now? All that running around? Stanley, mind your own business. Stanley. You all right, Bentley? You swallow some water? There you are. Oh, you're filthy. Darwin! Darwin! What are you doing under there, Darwin? Can you try to scoop that up, too? What are you doing? Relaxing? Whoa! You gonna get in there, Bruno? Ruby. You're funny, Ruby.